big plan this year is we're heading to the North Channel. So in the North Channel, there's a lot of anchoring, or not anchoring, tying off to land when you anchor. So I bought this gizmo. And that's for my 300 foot of road, so I can tie off to a tree on the shore. And I've got to figure out where I'm going to stick it. Can't stick it there. It's too small. I think I'm just going to build a mount on top of my swinging davits, and I'll just remove it when I'm not using it. It doesn't have to take load. It just has to pull the line out and keep it organized when I'm pulling it back in. But we'll still tie the line off to cleats. So, but this is the big addition. I'll have to figure out how to mount it. I don't want to mount it off to the side because I got too many overhangs already. I'm here at my brother's studio, and I'm working on the roller bit, and I come up with a plan, and this is my plan. I hope it's strong. So I've got two of these clamps. One is 7/8 and the other is 1 inch, and I'm going to weld one clamp on this side, the other clamp on this side, and then right here I'm going to weld this in the center, and that's what that tube is going to slide into. And then I'll just mount it with a pinhole. But to keep it from sliding out the other side, I found this at Wolf's Marine, and we're just going to cap it off right here, and that way it'll go and it won't slide off on the other side. And then I should have a removable wheel that's pretty sturdy, I hope, for, 300 foot a line's got to lined up on it and be pulled out. Of course, this won't take the tension of the boat. We'll just cleat off the line. But let's see how it goes. That's my plan.
Just make sure I can run a decent bead first.
Yeah, I'm just going to start it how you're tacking. Yep. Well, didn't show you all of it, but there's my finished product. As you can see, it spins nicely. So I put on a 1 inch and a 7/8, so no matter, I can attach it to whatever. I got a little cap to prevent it from coming out. One mess up I did do is the handles were too big. But then I remembered, I've got it set in with an Allen wrench. So I'll have to, luckily I have a different set of handles, so I can change them out if I so see fit.
Old-timey sails blow high, storms can't make us cry. Through gales we drag anchor wide, Great Lakes our endless tide. Exploring islands near and far, Rock Isle under a northern star, Beaver Isle where echoes wake, Les Jeanneau shadowed in lustrous lake. Hoist the flag, let's brave the squall, salty tales will heed the call.